Wow, this is what Prince was singing about. Little red Corvette. 1963 Roadster. It's got a 327, 340 horsepower motor, 4-speed, and I don't need to tell you, it's red on red. Got some beautiful knockoff wheels too. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can look at about 100 pictures, top to bottom, read the information, and that's where you'll find the price tag along with a monthly finance option on every car we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when a new video is posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Underneath is very respectable, neat, orderly. Frame looks real solid. It's painted black. The original fiberglass floors look to be in great shape. I didn't see any damage or repairs. Front end has been gone through. I noticed the control arm bushings are nice and soft. They're not cracked. Ball joints look like they've been replaced. Steering components are replaced. The power steering control valve and dampener, all that looks brand new actually. So front end's been gone through. Rear end has a new leaf spring and bushing, so that's been checked out and serviced. It has a dual exhaust system. Mufflers look pretty recent. Comes out through the valance right here like it's supposed to. It does have the spare tire carrier. That's underneath there. It's complete. Brakes have been serviced. It has new brake hoses at all four wheels. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up still. You look up the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange. I mean, the motor looks like it hasn't even been started or driven yet. Starter looks fresh. It's a Muncie M20 4-speed transmission. It looks clean as well. This was the first year they had independent suspension all the way around. 62 had the solid axle in back. So that's the underside. Now the body, wow, is this thing striking. Honestly, I haven't even got up close and inspected it. I just walked around it a couple times and it looks amazing. But let's look close and see what we got going on. The hood lines up. I don't see damage or issues. The headlights do work. We'll demonstrate those for you. They fit nice and square. It all lines up nice. I don't see cracks or damage at all in the body. I did feel up in the wheel well. It does have the bonding strip, so it's an original front clip, best I can tell. No damage, no body work showing. Sometimes they do a repair and you can kind of see it. I'm not finding anything like that. Doors real nice, lines up real nice. The lid lines up real nice. I'm not seeing any body issues. The body looks great. It's straight. Again, not cracked, not repaired or damaged, nothing like that showing. Now the paint, it's just like what you're seeing on your TV. It's glossy, it's wet looking, it's beautiful. Now if you want to get up close and personal, there's like a little nick inside here. There's a touch-up right here. There's the hairline crack. I mean, literally looks like a hairline there. So there's miscellaneous flaws is the point I'm making. Here's a little chip on the edge of the headlight door. There's a little bit of dust in the paint right there and across here. So minor imperfections, but it's going to impress whoever walks up on it, especially out on a sunny day. It's going to look like $1,000,000. On top of this door here, this is common on these Corvettes, the top sits on here. It's chipped and been touched up. You got the 63, has these Simulated grills right here. They're in good shape. A little bit of the black paint is chipped off, just minor. Emblem looks good. Bumpers look really nice. Probably new, not that long ago. Has bow tie mirrors on both sides. Windshield's real nice and clear. The molding's in good shape. Has a little mild abrasions on it. This is not pitted. Door handles are real shiny. These look original. There's some scratches from latching the top in there. It's a white convertible top, bright white top. There's pictures on our website. The rear bumpers look really nice, and the tail lights look real good. Emblem's a little bit tarnished. Gas cap looks new. The correct antenna looks new. And then, of course, knockoff wheels. Boy, those really look sharp on these cars. They're in excellent shape. Has some nice radial tires on there. There's a wiper mark right here, just a small one on the corner of the glass. Now, let's open it up. We got more good things to show you. All right, there is a chip right here, probably from the top on the lid. And we're going to open this up. We'll get back to this. Why don't we do the door jambs and door panel like we normally do. Door jambs are clean, respectable, new weather strips. Those look to be in nice shape. Sill plates have been replaced. Really nice interior. It looks fresh. The door panel, the armrest, the hardware, everything on the door panel there looks to be in great shape. The dash area is very good. The dash pads, I don't see any cracks or splits. All the instruments look great. It has a 6500 redline, which is correct for a 340 horsepower, 80-pound oil pressure. That's 60. It's 60. Quartz movement in the clock. Glovebox door looks new. Got the owner's manual. Does have a retro stereo fit right in there. Center console looks new. Has the correct reverse lockout shifter. Power windows. Then down on the floor, we got new carpet, front to back, and floor mats and rubber mats over those. Got a red deluxe wheel. The seats have been rebuilt. They're all recushioned, reupholstered. Look how nicely they fit. Cushion in the middle is new. Seat back is new. They've added red seat belts. And there's a tray underneath here. Early 63s had a tool tray under the seat. Later on, they didn't have that anymore, so this one has that. Comes with a shop manual. You can kind of get an idea. The top looks new. All the weather strip around the top has been replaced. Very nice interior. The visors, the mirror, very tidy, very, very nice. Now the motor, it is a correct 327 with the optional 340 horsepower. The casting codes and the casting date are correct for this car. The VIN number is stamped on the front of the block that matches this car. I don't know if that's an authentic VIN stamp or not. I'm going to call it a correct engine. It does have the double hump heads. It has the aluminum intake. There is an aftermarket Edelbrock carburetor. And then the higher horsepower cars, I believe, had the finned valve covers. You got the air cleaner looks new. You got the upper shielding. And two very desirable options. It has power brakes, which looks new, and power steering. A lot of these cars did not come with that stuff back then. 340 horsepower cars also had deep pulleys, so you could rev them high and the belts don't fly off. So it has those. The battery is all secured properly, has a disconnect. You have the expansion tank. The motor compartment overall looks proper. It's clean, very presentable looking. Car seems so easy to drive. Smooth, clutch is easy, and you got that power steering. Really nice. Gauges are working. So owning these cars, it's about how they make you feel. And come on, this thing is slick. The red with the red interior, that's a sharp looking car. You're gonna feel like $1,000,000. And trust me, the car is nowhere near $1,000,000, but it's gonna make you feel like $1,000,000. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help you get it financed. They'll help get it delivered to your door at volocars.com. Hope you're enjoying the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.